Today we are going to cover how we will install PIP in the Python. PIP is a standard package management system. So the basic purpose of PIP installation is to add some more libraries that we required within the coding. So that will be done within the Python by using PIP installation. Definitely that will be provided within the command prompt. The PIP installation is normally provided from command prompt. So when we are installing the Python, we can see this particular interface as the first step. So here, if you are providing checking with add Python 3.82 path, it will be more easy to install the PIP. I will show you how that will be provided. So within the command prompt, just take the command prompt, run as administrator, and authentication that will be asked there. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just provide yes. Then we will get an interface like this. And if you are providing pip install, just assume that if you require to install numpy, pip install numpy, that will be the statement. Pip is not recognized as an internal or external command. That's the error message that we got. The reason is the pip, that's a predefined command that we are utilizing here. So that's not initialized within this particular root path. So that must be added by using add python 3.8. I didn't provide this particular path within the installation time. That's why I got this particular message there. So how we will install if you didn't provide a particular checkbox selected within the installation time, how we will rectify that, or how we will install that particular pip file within the Python, that I'm going to tell you as the next step. So just you require to change the path of that particular command prompt, so that will be done from the ideally prompt. So just take ideally. So this is the ideally Python 3.7.2 shell. That's the ideally that I took. So then open, then scriptus. After that you can select the path like this. Just provide Control C and then close it. Then you can specify the path here by using Control V. Just paste the path here and then just provide /pip install numpy. So like that we can install the numpy. So whenever you are providing pip installation, definitely the system must be online. That means proper internet connection is required there for the pip installation. So here we are collecting the numpy data from the web server. So that's the process that we are doing. So successfully installed the numpy. So that's the message that we got back after the installation process. So that's a procedure for installing different pip files. So if you require to install any other pip files, like I will show an example for that. So from the command prompt we will provide the commands. So pip install pillow. Here this particular statement is another one that I did previously. So pillow, that's a pip file that will be utilized for reviewing the image within the Python. So that means if you require to retrieve any of the images from the system within the runtime, that will be done by using this particular pip installation. Then another pip file that I utilized here is pip install MySQL connector. This one, pip install MySQL connector for database connectivity, for establishing a connection between the MySQL and Python. That will be done by using pip install MySQL connector. Then for plotting purpose, for graph representation like pyplot or anything like that, that will be done within the using the pip install matplotlib. So like that we can install different pip files within the Python. And if you require to uninstall certain values, that also will be done by using pip uninstall numpy. The numpy is the file that I am going to uninstall. So that's why I am providing like this pip uninstall, then the pip file that you require to uninstall that will be provided there. So like that we can easily uninstall that. So here I provide certain examples. So C :/ up to discrete mode that will be pasted, and then we will provide the appropriate file package for the installation. Pip install pillow or pip install matplotlib or pip install mysql -connector. Based on our requirement we will provide that.